Hello student, welcome to second year. In second year our subject is data structure, that is DSU. The subject code is 22317. Myself Minal Chaudhary. First we see the total marks of for this subject. For theory this subject have 100 marks, 70 marks for end semester exam and 30 marks for internal theory PA, which include 2 unit tests and one micro project. Unit test 20 marks and micro project 10 marks. Then for practical it have 50 marks, 25 for end semester practical exam and 25 for internal assessment marks. Then learning outcome of this video is: first, what is data structure, then need of data structure, and then last we see what is abstract data type. First we see the concept of data structure. Our subject title is data structure using C. So data structure, this word we divide into two part. First one is data and second one is structure. So simply data is the simple value or set of value of different type like integer, string, float or character. Then second word is structure. Structure is way of organizing information or data so that it is easy to use. So by organizing data we can use the data easily, that is called as structure. And then we create simple definition of data structure. In simple word we can define data structure is it is a way of organizing data in such way that the data can be used easily. So this is called a data structure. Next, data structure, first is it is the group of data elements, means data structure contain different types of data elements. Then it provide an efficient way of storing and organizing data in computer, so the data can be used efficiently. Simple, the example is if I arrange the data in random manner, so it is not easy to use, but if the data is arranged in proper way, so data can be used in effective manner. Some example of data structure that are studied in this subject like array, linked list, stack and queue. This data structure we see one by one in next few chapters. Next one, we think some questions. Data structure is: options are group of data element, second option is way of storing and organizing data, third option is both A and B, and last option is none of this. The answer of this question is data structure is both A and B, group of data element and way of organizing and storing data. Next question is state true or false. Data can be used efficiently because of data structure. The answer of this question is true. Next example of data structures are: options are stack, queue, linked list and all of this. The answer is all of this. Next point is need of data structure. Many time in examination the question is asked explain or list the need of data structure for 2 to 4 marks. So we see one by one. First need is to store and organize the data in proper manner. Second, To make efficient use of data, to increase the speed of processor, to perform various operation on data, to make data use reusable. So these are the various need of data structure. Next topic is abstract data type. So the abstract data type is the special kind of data type whose behavior is defined by set of values and set of operations. ADT, that is abstract data type, used to represent data structure in memory. We can perform different operation on data structure like insert, delete, traversal, etc. But how those operations are working, that is totally hidden from user, hence called as abstract. Some example of abstract data types are stack, queue, linked list. We see one example of abstract. Why it is called as abstract? So one example is, when we ride a bike, we only know that pressing the brake will stop the bike, but you don't know how it is work. So it is one example of abstraction. Next we see some questions. Use of data structure. Option is increase speed of processor, decrease speed of processor, no effect on speed of processor, none of this. So answer of this question is use of data structure, increase speed of processor. Next question is dash dash is represent of data structure in memory. Option is algorithm, storage structure, file structure, and abstract data type. Answer is abstract data type. Next one, we can perform dash dash operation on data structure for insert, delete, traversal, all of this. Answer is all of this. So thank you.